Amanda, a beautiful Igbo lady, was beaming with joy on her traditional marriage ceremony day. She was finally marrying her love, Azona, as she prepared to present him with a drink, a symbol of her love and respect. She got distracted by the lively music and energetic dancers. In the chaos, Amanda mistakenly handed the drink to a wrong man, who happened to be Azona's uncle. Chiefy Jake, unaware of the mistake, accepted the drink with a warm smile. Amanda realized her mistake and was mortified. She tried to discreetly retrieve the drink, but it was too late. The guests erupted in laughter, and Azona, though initially surprised, joined in the merriment. Amanda apologized profusely to Azona and his uncle, feeling embarrassed. Chiefy Jake, being a good sport, handed the drink back to Amanda, saying, "I may have gotten the drink, but Azona gets the prize, your love." Azona reassured Amanda, "My love, it's just a drink. You've given me your heart, and that's all that matters." The ceremony continued, filled with joy and laughter. Amanda and Azona's love shone brighter than the mistake. As they exchanged their vows, Amanda whispered to Azona, "I promise to always give you my love and the right drink." Azona chuckled, and they sealed their love with a kiss. The ceremony ended with cheers and applause, and Amanda and Azona danced into their new life together, surrounded by loved ones.